Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday morning, June 3rd, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of legal news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is JBT Marel appoints James Pelletier as EVP. JBT Marel Corporation has appointed Jim Pelletier as Executive Vice President and General Counsel, effective June 30th, 2025. With over 2 decades of legal and business leadership experience, Pelletier has held senior roles at multinational industrial companies such as Masonite International, Chimera, Barnes Group, GE, and Pratt & Whitney. In his new role, he will lead the company's legal and compliance functions, serving as a strategic advisor to the executive team and board of directors. CEO Brian Deck expressed confidence in Pelletier's ability to strengthen legal and governance foundations as the company continues to grow globally. JBT Marel Corporation is a leading global technology solutions provider to high-value segments of the food and beverage industry, focused on optimizing food yield, safety, quality, and efficiency across the global food supply chain.
Stradley Ronon appoints Jordann Conaboy and Benjamin McCoy as partners. Stradley Ronon has appointed Jordann Conaboy and Benjamin McCoy as partners in the Philadelphia office, enhancing their capabilities in litigation and investigations. Both previously Fox Rothschild, Jordann also served as an assistant U.S. attorney in the District of New Jersey. Together, they will focus on representing clients in complex litigation, investigations, and white-collar matters, particularly in healthcare, managed care, pharmaceutical, and commercial disputes. Their extensive experience includes handling large-scale cases nationwide and working with various government agencies. Their addition to the firm strengthens its ability to navigate complex regulatory and litigation challenges in these sectors, building on their track record of successful outcomes in healthcare, managed care, and pharmaceutical cases.
Courageous Conservatives PAC to Rep. Pat Curry ahead of June 6th hearing. You can't sue your way out of accountability. The Courageous Conservatives Political Action Committee is set to argue against a baseless SLAPP lawsuit brought by Rep. Pat Curry in court this week. The PAC believes Curry's lawsuit is an attempt to silence critics and suppress free speech. The PAC has moved to dismiss the suit under the Texas Citizens Participation Act, citing protections of free speech and the right to petition. Curry's lawyers have failed to explain the legal merit of their claims. The PAC is standing firm in defending conservative values and political accountability, refusing to be intimidated into silence. The hearing is scheduled for Friday, June 6th, 2025, at 9 a.m. Interviews with Chairman Chris Ekstrom will be available. Courageous Conservatives PAC is dedicated to electing leaders who uphold American values and sovereignty.
Pisanchyn Law Firm strengthens statewide presence with major victories and offices across Pennsylvania. Pisanchyn Law Firm, a powerhouse in Pennsylvania personal injury law, has expanded its reach with offices in Scranton, Harrisburg, Pittsburgh, and Philadelphia. Known for its no-nonsense approach to justice, the firm has secured major victories, including a $2.3 million dram shop settlement and a $1.2 million settlement for neglected care in a nursing home. Pisanchyn Law Firm is committed to holding negligent parties accountable, serving clients across the state with passion and personal attention. With a client-first approach, the firm offers free consultations and representation for all injury victims, ensuring they receive the compensation they deserve. For more information, visit www.pisanchynlawfirm.com or call toll-free 1-800-444-5309.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.